Hey, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a piece that makes a statement without really being visible, that's exactly what you'll get from this gorgeous table from Eglaf. This table is made completely out of acrylic material, and I'm so impressed with how pretty and how sturdy that it is. I wanted a table that would be able to stand out in the room without really making a statement, and that's exactly what you get out of this table. It has 3 acrylic shelves and it measures 26 inches high. So it's perfect as a corner piece, whether it be in a room where you don't want it to stand out or maybe you need it for a smaller space. I was really impressed with how easy that it was to put together, but also at the same time you can see that each of the shelves is a really thick, durable material. Even the posts don't have any bubbles, but they're absolutely made beautiful. The table itself is 26 inches wide and deep, so it really does not take up a lot of space. The table is made out of such great durable material that it has absolutely no problem holding my weights, which is what I wanted it for. I love it in this room because it does not make a huge statement, but at the same time, it looks absolutely gorgeous. The piece is well made, it's very durable. You can see even when putting the weights on it, it does not wave or buckle at all, but rather it just stands out as being super pretty. I love the timeless look of this table, but that's just my point of view.